Hi, I'm Charlie. I'm the branch manager from Benchmarx Kitchens and Joinery in Witney. We've had Mayfair in today to install our brand new worktops and we're absolutely thrilled. We're over the moon. The whole process from start to finish was fantastic. The template in happened roughly 6 working days ago. The turnaround has been impeccable. The service is superb and the quality of the finish is just unbelievable and we really love it. So from a supplier point of view, we get on really well with Mayfair. From turning around quotes within sort of 24 hours to giving us a price, and then the service that they take care of our customer from that point in terms of liaising with them, making sure that the template in is on time. They give them an AM, a PM slot. They give a call half an hour before as a courtesy to let them know they're coming. They just take care of the whole process for us and we really enjoy working with Mayfair.